What if you woke up, checked your phone, and your AI team had already scripted, recorded, edited, and uploaded a video while you slept? That's not a fantasy anymore. This week, my multi-agent pipeline did exactly that. From raw idea all the way to a published YouTube video, agents handled every step, and the first video it shipped hit 12,000 views in 24 hours. Today, I'm breaking down how it works, what almost killed it, and the one lesson every AI builder needs to hear before they even write their first agent. Here's the honest version. The first attempt was a disaster. The initial render took 3 full days. Agents kept stepping on each other. One agent would grab a task, another would try to help, and suddenly nothing got finished because nobody owned anything. Then the YouTube API token expired mid-production, and the whole upload just silently died. And the scripts? Totally generic. Recycled AI content that YouTube's algorithm in 2026 absolutely punishes. No real data, no fresh angle, just noise. Every one of these failures taught me something critical about how agents actually need to be designed. 3 fixes changed everything. First, explicit ownership boundaries. Every agent gets one job, one output, one handoff point. No vague help with instructions. If 2 agents can interpret the same task, they will, and chaos follows. Second, treat API tokens like passwords, not hints. I built automatic refresh logic before every API call, not after failures. Third, I added what I call uniquifying rules. Each script must pull at least one real-time data point before generation. Live stats, trending topics, fresh numbers. That's what YouTube's algorithm actually rewards now. Original synthesis, not recycled summaries. Here's the actual flow. It starts in Discord. I drop an idea, and that triggers an n8n workflow. The script agent pulls trending data, applies the uniquifying rules, and drafts the narration. That passes to the voiceover agent, which generates audio and checks timing sync, because mismatched lip sync was a real problem early on. Then the edit agent assembles the clip with B-roll and captions. The thumbnail agent runs in parallel using a diffusion model. Finally, the publish agent hits the YouTube API with the full package. I review outputs at each stage checkpoint, not just the end. Catching breaks early is way cheaper than catching them after a full render. Once the system stabilized, the results were real. Production time dropped by about 60%, compared to doing everything manually. I went from spending a full day on one video to reviewing agent outputs for maybe an hour. The pipeline now has reusable templates for 3 different video formats, and I'm already designing a repurposing agent that chops long videos into shorts automatically. There's also an analytics agent in progress that reads retention curves and suggests improvements before the next video goes out. The shift isn't just speed, it's leverage. One person coordinating a team of agents, shipping content that feels handcrafted. If you take one thing from this video, make it this. Agents need job descriptions, not vibes. The moment I stopped writing prompts like help with video production and started writing them like, you own script generation, your output is a JSON file, and you hand off to the voice agent when done. Everything got cleaner and faster. If you're building your own agent pipeline, start with ownership boundaries before you write a single line of code. Drop a comment below. What's the hardest handoff problem you've hit in your own agent builds? Subscribe for more real builds, real failures, and real results every week.